students, welcome back to SRBPS online platform. I, Vimi, your computer educator, welcome you all to your computer classes. So, today in the same series, we will discuss chapter 2, Types of Software, part 6. In this video, we will learn utility software with examples. So, let's understand utility software. Utility software is a software designed to help to configure, analyze, and maintains a computer system to enable its smooth functioning. These software supports the computer hardware but not the application software. It maintains the operations of a computer, its devices, and the software within it. Now, let's see what are the examples of utility software. First is antivirus, second is file management tool, backup software, compression tools, backup tools, disk tools, scanning, defragmentation. Now, let's understand all these examples in detail. First is antivirus. This software is used to protect a computer from viruses, harmful programs, and applications that can corrupt the system. It detects a virus, notifies the user, and takes action to secure the computer. Now, let's see what are the examples of antivirus. Windows Defender, AVG, Avast, McAfee, etc. All are the examples of antivirus. Now, let's move towards file management tool. This software manages the files stored in the file system. It means this software is used to manage all the files stored in a computer. It offers the functions to organize, edit, and manage files and folders on a computer storage device. Examples are Windows Explorer is the file management tool in MS Windows and Finder in Mac OS. Now, backup software. Backup software are computer programs used to perform a backup of all selected files on a computer. They create supplementary exact copies of files, databases, or entire computers and store these in a secondary storage. Examples of backup software are external hard disk, pen drive, CD, or DVD. Now, next is compression tools. A compression program or compression utility is a software program that can compress, decompress files of various types. It reduces the size of the file. Examples are WinZip. It supports by Microsoft Windows. Next is backup tools. A backup program or backup utility allows you to backup and later restore important files on a computer system. Such tools can create exact copies of crucial files and databases. Let's move towards disk tools. These softwares are used for managing storage devices and the hard disk drives. They can scan the hard disk for problems and cleans the hard disk to remove unnecessary files. Next utility software is scanning. Scanning is a reading technique to be used when you want to find specific information quickly. Scanning is often performed to find physical errors or fragmentation on the hard disk. Our last example of utility software is defragmentation. Defragmentation is a process that improves the data processing rate of a computer. It does so by correcting fragmentation. Defragmentation is like cleaning house for your server or PC. It picks up all of the pieces of data that are spread across your hard drive and puts them back together again. Now, why is defragmentation important? Because every computer suffers from the constant growth of fragmentation, and if you do not clean house, your server or PC suffers. So, students, I have covered all system software. Next part of software we will discuss in next session. By the time you will take care and study harder. Thank you.